How to reset your Instagram feed and suggested content. This tutorial will show you the fastest way to refresh your Instagram recommendations. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now, tap the three-line menu at the top right to open your account settings. After that, scroll down until you find the What You See section, then tap on Content Preferences. Here you'll see the option called Reset Suggested Content. Tap on it. Now, select Next, and then tap Reset Suggested Content again to reset suggested content. That's it. Your Instagram feed, Explore page, and recommended Reels will start refreshing based on the content you interact with the most. If your Instagram recommendations were showing unwanted posts or random videos, this method helps reset the Instagram algorithm quickly. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and social media tutorials.